Title hook: To Kill a Mockingbird, Harper Lee, a profound exploration of justice, morality, and racial prejudice. Wait until you hear what we have uncovered for you today. This information is rarely shared publicly, and understanding it fully could save you years of confusion, frustration, and unnecessary expensive mistakes. To Kill a Mockingbird by Harper Lee offers a compelling narrative centered around themes of racial injustice and moral growth. Set in the Deep South during the 1930s as the story unfolds in the fictional town of Macomb, Alabama, and is narrated by Scout Finch, a young girl witnessing her father, Atticus Finch, defend a black man wrongly accused of raping a white woman. The novel explores the entrenched racism and prejudice prevalent in society through the eyes of Scout and her brother, James. Their father, Atticus, embodies integrity and compassion as he stands up against the town's biases to ensure a fair trial for Tom Robinson, the accused. Through their experiences, Scout and James learn valuable lessons about empathy, courage, and the importance of moral justice. Harper Lee offers transformative insights, one of which is the essential understanding that true courage is standing up for what is right, even when faced with overwhelming opposition. Secondly, the book underscores the significance of empathy, urging readers to see the world through others' eyes to combat prejudice. Lastly, it highlights the importance of moral integrity, showing that justice must be pursued even when societal norms resist change. Memorable moments include Atticus's defense of Tom Robinson, which serves as a stark reminder of the deep-seated racism within the judicial system. Another poignant scene is the children's interaction with Boo Radley, the mysterious neighbor, which shifts their perception and fosters understanding beyond rumors and fear. Harper Lee, an American author, drew inspiration from her own experiences growing up in Alabama, crafting a narrative that reflects the complexities of human behavior and social justice. To Kill a Mockingbird, her debut novel, became a timeless classic, celebrated for its profound themes and impactful storytelling. The book's relevance remains significant today as discussions on racial equality and justice continue. Its exploration of moral courage and empathy serves as a compelling call to challenge injustice in all its forms. Lee's narrative encourages readers to reflect on their own beliefs and actions, inspiring societal change. For an actionable takeaway, consider embracing Atticus Finch's ethos, strive to understand others by considering their perspectives, and stand firm in fighting for justice and equality. Begin by fostering empathy in everyday interactions and advocating for fairness, embodying the moral strength demonstrated in this powerful narrative. Thanks for watching. Hit like and subscribe for daily update. Turn on notifications to never miss a video. Comment your favorite phrase below and watch the next video for more tips.